my third period class. Guys, I want to talk to you about the Diamond Fork Toolbox this year. Our class gets to have the Toolbox this week. We're going to be able to use the Toolbox to do some really cool things this year. We want to identify all of the really good, cool, shining moments that are happening around here at Diamond Fork. So this is how it's going to work. Right here on the box are some little forms for you to fill out. Each one of these forms gives you a chance to recognize anyone that you saw doing something that was awesome, or something that particularly showed our great values here at Diamond Fork. The values of respect, courage, compassion, integrity, or perseverance. Those are pretty cool things. So, this week, as you see things happening, what we'd like you to do is fill out this paper and then put it in the box. Like so.
Oh, it was Annie and Ryan. Oh, okay, all right.
And guess what? Sometimes things happen that we don't like to see happening at Diamond Fork. So maybe you saw something occur that you'd like to see get fixed. You might have a complaint or a concern that the counselors or the administrators need to know about. If that's the case, this is a really safe way that you can report those types of things happening. So if you do see something going on that maybe shouldn't happen, you can fill out the other side of this form that says concern or complaint and write down what's going on. You don't even have to put your name on it if you don't want to, but we'd like to know who we need to talk to about their behavior. So maybe if something bad happened in the hallway and you saw it, you can help fix that.
Oh, I see what's up.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
standing on my square.
Oh, yeah.
You're on my square. You're in the hallway. You're standing on my square. Get out the hallway. Get out the hallway. I will push you. Get around here. Come on.
All right, guys, so while we have the toolbox in our room, we want to make sure that we're recording some shining moments today. All right, so you've got your form. Go ahead and record some of those shining moments of things that you saw really good happening. Like maybe you saw somebody in the hall and they needed some help or something and you helped them out. Write what you saw other people doing, okay? Let's use this toolbox to focus on our 5 core values here at Diamond Fork.
Respect, courage,